So if you ever forget your bike lock code, here's how to open it. This is only if the lock is open. Select down the tumbler, take the first row right here, and rotate it until you see a gap come out. See that gap right there? Right there, I'll do it again. And a gap right there. So you got one going. Now you go to the second tumbler, and then you rotate until you see a gap. I just found this on my own when I forgot my code. There you go, another gap. Most bike locks should have this. You got two gaps there. And then work your way to the third. There, third gap. And then the last one's kind of hard to see down. If you have a 6-digit code, then it's gonna be hard. One more? Yeah, there you go. Alright, now we got all the tumblers. So it should fit. Yep, there you go. And then that's how you figure out your bike lock code without the code. Thank you guys for watching.